It's so fun. We met one.
Oh shoot.
I know he can do it, and I know he's I'm just wondering if it goes right.
Alright, Dad. It's gonna put one onto the fire.
I'll give it a...
Alright. I got a job.
If I tell you to run, you spin or start down that same way. If you don't stop, you get the ass off.
Which way,
Worst case scenario goes up straight all the way. That's what I'm saying. No, if it comes straight this way, we can count.
It starts moving.
I'm only worried about it. A being hauled, B hit something.
I got it.
Go anyway. The only thing you gotta worry about right there is we're gone.
It's wedge.
Oh, Derek has been foul. You gotta knock his feet out. The only thing you gotta worry about him is two items happen. Hollow or hit something with chainsaw.
Wow.
The holler! If we hollow down the bottom of it, but you know, oh, he just knocking the knock out. He ain't up to cutting tree down there. He's getting where he can get good. Now here he goes.
Okay.
Going down the hill, y'all.
Worst case scenario, I'm running behind the truck. If I go direction, I'm going somewhere.
Right now, he can't come backwards on it. He cannot come backwards on it. Now he's going to drive away.
Is that what that's for?
Yeah.
Keep it from coming back?
Yeah.
Well, less of a chance.
Here we go, Christopher! Get out of the way!
Get out of the way! Hollow?
I think the saw's all right. I don't think you got it.